Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Srivita. I am studying first class. My section name is Law Section. Here, the topic name is living things and non-living things. Here you can see living things, plants, animals, insects, human beings. Non-living things. Plants, sun, soil, air, water, stone, car, pen, egg, sharpener, leaves, crayon, helicopter, tail.
Say some difference between living things and non-living things.
Living things can be living things can be living things. Living things have living things and place to understand. Living things have animals. Non-living things don't eat. Living things, living things not eat. Living things cannot grow. Living things